Experiencing issues with your 2019 Tesla Model 3 frunk not opening? You're not alone. Many owners face this problem, but Tesla has released software updates and hardware fixes to address it. This video will guide you through potential solutions covering power lift, latch, and emergency release fixes. Note, most issues should be resolved with Tesla's latest updates. The Model 3's frunk uses a motorized system with an electronic latch, actuator, and sensors managed by the car's computer. The power lift mechanism raises and lowers the hood using an actuator controlled by the vehicle's computer. The latch secures the frunk and releases it via the app, key fob, or touchscreen. Sensors monitor the position and status, while an emergency release provides fail-safe access inside the frunk near the hinges. Tesla primarily uses over-the-air software updates to recalibrate the frunk's power lift mechanism. Ensure your Model 3 is running the latest software version 2024.26.5 or later. These updates address miscalibration and sensor errors. Check your car's software menu for available updates and install them promptly. After updating, test the frunk to see if the issue is resolved. Test the frunk to confirm the fix works properly. Software updates provide the primary fix for frunk issues through recalibration. If the frunk is stuck, locate the emergency release cable inside the frunk. It's usually a red tab on the frunk's underside. Pulling this disengages the motor and releases the latch manually. This is crucial for accessing the frunk in emergencies or when the electronic system fails. Remember to re-engage the latch properly after using the emergency release. Mechanical wear can cause frunk problems over time. Inspect the latch and hinges for signs of corrosion, debris buildup, or physical damage. Look for visible corrosion, like rust on hinges, or physical damage to components. Corrosion often appears as rust or pitting, especially in coastal areas where saltwater exposure accelerates wear. Clean any dirt or debris from the mechanism. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove obstructions. Lubricate hinges and latch with silicone-based lubricant to reduce friction and prevent wear. Extreme cold can stiffen lubricants, while saltwater corrosion is common in coastal areas. These environmental factors accelerate mechanical wear. For severe wear or damage, professional repair is necessary. Tesla service centers can diagnose and replace faulty components. Power supply issues can prevent your Tesla Model 3 frunk from operating properly. Let's examine the key troubleshooting steps for battery voltage and wiring. First, ensure your Model 3 has sufficient battery voltage, approximately 12 volts, for the frunk motor to function. A low battery can completely prevent the motor from engaging when you try to open the frunk. Locate the 12-volt battery in the engine compartment under the hood. This auxiliary battery powers various vehicle systems, including the frunk mechanism. If you determine the battery is weak, the simplest solution is to charge your vehicle. Connect to a Tesla supercharger or your home charging station and allow the battery to reach adequate voltage before attempting to open the frunk. Wiring faults can also prevent power from reaching the frunk motor. Check for loose connections, corrosion, or damaged wires. A digital multimeter can help test for continuity and proper voltage delivery to the motor. If power supply problems continue after these checks, it's best to have Tesla service technicians perform a professional diagnosis to identify and resolve any underlying electrical issues. In May 2024, Tesla issued a voluntary recall for Model 3 and Model Y vehicles manufactured between 2017 and 2022. This recall addressed potential frunk entrapment hazards, where the power-operated front trunk could unexpectedly close or fail to open, potentially causing injuries or property damage. The recall affected approximately 1.1 million vehicles and was completed by late 2024. Tesla deployed a software update that recalibrates the frunk's power lift mechanism and adds emergency release safeguards. If you own a 2019 Model 3, you should ensure this recall fix was applied to your vehicle. This image shows the latch mechanism that was improved through the recall. The software fix addresses electrical glitches and sensor errors that could cause the frunk to malfunction. If you continue to experience frunk issues even after the recall fix, Tesla offers free diagnostics and repairs at their service centers. You can schedule an appointment through the Tesla app or website. The company has invested in improving frunk reliability, and most issues are resolved through software updates. This shows a Tesla Model Y with the frunk open, demonstrating the storage space that the recall helps ensure safe and reliable access to. Visit a Tesla service center, like the one shown here, for professional assistance. Tesla's AI-driven monitoring in newer models helps prevent future issues, but for older vehicles like the 2019 Model 3, the recall fix remains the primary solution. To prevent future frunk issues with your 2019 Tesla Model 3, focus on regular software updates and avoid overloading the frunk compartment. Tesla is increasingly relying on software-centric fixes for mechanical problems, incorporating climate-adaptive algorithms that adjust to environmental conditions like extreme cold or moisture. Experts strongly recommend professional diagnostics for any persistent frunk problems and advise against DIY fixes without proper tools to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage. Stay informed by monitoring Tesla owner forums for insights and shared experiences from other Model 3 owners facing similar issues. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to integrate machine learning for predictive maintenance, using AI to anticipate and prevent frunk failures before they occur.